Title: Demystifying Mathematics. A hilarious journey through numbers, shapes, and formulas. Welcome, brave souls, to the wild and wacky world of mathematics, where numbers dance, shapes shimmy, and formulas frolic in a whimsical wonderland. Prepare to embark on a side-splitting adventure as we unravel the mysteries of math with laughter as our trusty guide. First stop: numbers. The humble digits that rule our lives and perplex our minds. Let's kick things off with some addition and subtraction, because who doesn't love a good old-fashioned math brawl? Picture this: a showdown between a gang of rowdy integers, duking it out in the squared circle. Will 7 emerge victorious over 3, or will 5 swoop in for the surprise knockout? Place your bets, folks, it's about to get numerically nutty. Next up, shapes. Say hello to our geometric pals: circles, squares, triangles. Oh my, ever wonder what shapes do in their spare time? Spoiler alert, it's not just sitting around looking polygonal. Join us as we peek into the secret lives of shapes, from circle-shaped dance parties to square-shaped shenanigans. And don't even get us started on the misadventures of the rebellious parallelogram who just can't seem to fit in anywhere. And finally, formulas. The backbone of mathematics, the secret sauce that turns numbers and shapes into mathematical masterpieces. But who says formulas have to be boring? Get ready for some formulaic fun as we break down complex equations, with the help of some truly hilarious illustrations. Picture Pythagoras himself doing the limbo under a right triangle, or Newton getting hit on the head with an apple-shaped wrecking ball. It's mathematics like you've never seen it before, equal parts educational and entertaining. So buckle up, mathletes, and prepare to laugh your way through the world of numbers, shapes, and formulas. Because when it comes to mathematics, there's no problem too big, no equation too complex, and no joke too cheesy. Let the mathematical madness begin. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity, and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: Exploring Geometry. Applying Equations and Formulas in Real-Life Examples. Introduction. Geometry, the branch of mathematics that explores the properties and relationships of shapes and space, is deeply intertwined with our everyday lives. From the architecture of buildings to the design of technological devices, geometry plays a pivotal role in shaping the world around us. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the fascinating realm of geometry and demonstrate how equations and formulas can be applied to solve real-life problems and unlock hidden insights. Chapter 1. Points, Lines, and Angles. Example 1. Designing a room layout. Imagine you're an interior designer tasked with creating an aesthetically pleasing layout for a living room. To achieve balance and harmony, you use geometric principles to position furniture and decor. You measure angles to ensure optimal placement of sofas and chairs, ensuring they don't obstruct pathways or create awkward corners. By applying the equation for calculating angles in a triangle, you ensure that the room's design is both functional and visually appealing. Chapter 2. Triangles and Polygons. Example 2. Constructing a bridge. Civil engineers rely on geometric concepts to design sturdy and structurally sound bridges. When designing the framework for a bridge, they use triangular trusses to distribute weight evenly and withstand external forces. By applying the formula for calculating the area of a triangle, engineers determine the amount of material needed for each truss, optimizing the bridge's strength and efficiency. Through meticulous planning and geometric analysis, they ensure the bridge can safely support heavy loads and withstand environmental conditions. Chapter 3. Circles and Spheres. Example 3. Building a water tank in urban areas with limited space. Municipalities often construct cylindrical water tanks to store and distribute potable water. Engineers use geometric formulas to determine the tank's capacity, circumference, and surface area. By applying the equation for calculating the volume of a cylinder, they accurately estimate the amount of water the tank can hold, ensuring an adequate supply for residents. Additionally, they use the formula for finding the circumference of a circle to design access hatches and inspection points along the tank's perimeter. Chapter 4. Solids and 3D Shapes. Example 4. Creating packaging designs. Graphic designers tasked with creating packaging for consumer products rely on geometric principles to develop innovative and efficient designs. When designing a box or container, they calculate the surface area and volume to optimize material usage and minimize waste. By applying the formulas for finding the surface area and volume of rectangular prisms, cylinders, and other 3D shapes, designers ensure that packaging is both visually appealing and cost-effective. Through careful consideration of geometric properties, they create packaging that not only protects products, but also enhances their visual presentation on store shelves. Chapter 5. Transformations and Symmetry. Example 5. Designing a logo. Graphic designers often use geometric transformations to create logos that convey a brand's identity and values. By applying rotation, reflection, translation, and dilation, designers manipulate shapes and patterns to achieve desired visual effects. For example, a logo featuring symmetrical elements may use reflection to create a balanced composition. By applying geometric transformations creatively, designers produce logos that are not only visually striking, but also meaningful and memorable representations of the brands they represent. Chapter 6. Coordinate geometry. Example 6. Mapping landscapes. Cartographers and urban planners use coordinate geometry to map and analyze landscapes, infrastructure, and urban developments. By plotting coordinates on a grid, they create detailed maps that accurately depict terrain, property boundaries, and transportation networks. By applying the distance formula, they calculate distances between points on the map, allowing them to plan efficient routes for roads, railways, and utilities. Through the application of coordinate geometry, planners ensure that cities and communities are organized and accessible, promoting sustainable growth and development. Chapter 7. Applications in Navigation and GPS. Example 7. Navigating air travel. Pilots and air traffic controllers rely on geometric principles to navigate aircraft safely and efficiently. By applying concepts such as angles of elevation, bearings, and triangulation, pilots determine their position relative to landmarks and navigate along predetermined flight paths. Additionally, GPS systems use geometric algorithms to triangulate signals from satellites and calculate precise coordinates, providing real-time navigation assistance to pilots and passengers. Through the application of geometric principles, air travel remains one of the safest and most reliable modes of transportation. Conclusion. Geometry is not just an abstract concept confined to textbooks and classrooms. It's a fundamental aspect of our everyday lives. By applying equations and formulas to real-life examples, we can better understand the role that geometry plays in shaping the world around us. From designing buildings and infrastructure to creating artwork and logos, geometric principles influence virtually every aspect of our modern existence. By embracing geometry and its practical applications, we can unlock new insights, solve complex problems, and innovate for a brighter future. And hey, before we dive headfirst into the hilarious world of mathematics, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement isn't just appreciated, it's crucial for spreading the joy of math to fellow number nerds around the globe. Plus, subscribing to our YouTube channel ensures you never miss out on our latest math-inspired comedy gold. So go ahead, show some love, and let's make math funnier than ever before.